Watch, watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what going to come for represent in a full effect. You know what go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. Me's a man, I come for ask Foota Hype some question because me's a man, I not go deal with it underneath no hooligan style, no pig style. You know why? Because Foota Hype make sure come out and say what him a say, and him also said him a go talk some things and him probably die feet or this probably happen to him or that. So you see how him throw out him can there, so that means you know you have to approach him with caution because him arm and dangerous. You know I'm gonna say nothing and then tomorrow something happen to Foota Hype and then I hear a name a call. So here we go on right about now. I just ask, me I go ask Foota Hype some question right now because I find him big and contrary. And all him a go like him true to himself. Let me tell you something. You're real contrary out. You know what I mean? And then if you like that, people now go can put them trust in you and believe you. Because here we go on. It don't make no sense you make milk a good pail of milk, you know, and then at the end of the day when you do that you kick it over, you know. It don't make no sense. You don't waste your time then. You see what I deal with because here we go on. First and foremost, Bob Marley is a man of the biggest thing in our reggae music. Bob Marley not really sing about them things there. You see what I deal with? Everybody in the world knows say Bob Marley a top gallist. When money not to spend him a naturalist. And when gal careless them get captured quick. Cause the material evidence there for sure, you know, how much pitney them man they have, you know. Likewise Buju Banton, you know. At 17 the man clock out time zigzag, you know. At 17 come out of the man 17 shoot a zigzag, you know. Me no know if you don't know that, you know. So if you see 17, the whole clip come out of the man zigzag, you know the man and another lollipop gallus, you know. You hear that? So here we go on right about now. Foota. Let me ask you something. You want Buju for go back in the prison go spend 8 more years? I want to tell you, oh, it's so wicked to the man. You know, see the man does come on road. And you see people are come with pressure. And it come like say, respect the man. You want the man go back go spend, the man can go back and go spend 8 more years in a prison? You go like, you and everybody know that's why the man go to prison because him been pressured. You know what I mean? That people are watching him and check up on him. And people dying for him slip up. And people are put things in him way just to catch up on him. You go like you don't know that. Eh? Watch this now. I'm watching now. I'll show you how contrary is in a Foota. I'm watching now Bunty, you know. Do say, you know. And rip off big bad collaboration with Glenn Stefani, you know. Zin, double platinum song, you know. And the man, and no doubt, you know, put a naked man in the video, you know. And being the man trouble Bunty about it, you know, and Bunty get mad, you know. And even mad for no doubt, you know. Mouth Bunty, you know. Don't go up on them tour, you know, my brethren. And them so killer, you know, I think a 30 million Jamaican dollar, them so killer, you know, my brethren. If me not lie, you know, no doubt so killer, you know. And killer act wicked and stand up for when believe, you know, everything like that, you know. And after the man, them take away killer visa and killer can't travel no more, you know. Who you think they on the internet, him and Tony Mataran about out killer about him can't travel and him not make no money and him not at again in a dancer? And who did they on the internet to do that? No Foota Hype. So all you want man for believe you. All you want man for follow you. And all you want people for stand up with you. And all you want people for die beside you. Let me tell you something. When you go on with a lollipop thing in the car, here what I go say to you. From day one, you know, Rasta man, you know, I burn out them thing there, you know, and dancehall artists, right? Right? Then, you watch how Caesar Kalonji and them man, they burn out them thing, they lose all them documents and can't even go certain place go perform, right? Then, you watch Beanie Man and Killer them lose them shit. And all when time, man all write all some letter, them still not accept that. Them ban the man them thing and them boycott the man them show, right? Right? And then, in a Jamaica, after the man them put out all of them shit there and stand up behind it in a way them believe in, and lose all them opportunity to go all over, go make money for them and them family. See them one ton, in a Jamaica ton, in all of them something, both woman and man. So one man them fight a losing backer. I just the man them alone for stand up and say, hey. And differently beside of that, have straight man a go around and a kill out the whole of the straight man them. So want for left. Say bad man, bad, wicked straight man, and I go straight man alone and go around and a kill out. You see what I deal with? So, I for sure to say, the thing I deal with, as some look a pussy whole thing I deal with, and I violate big people, Buju Banton does come from prison, my brethren. What kind of more pressure you want upon the man? Where you want to send him back to prison, my brethren? Why you not go and go do something dramatic about it? Because nobody in the world never do nothing about it. A father God himself born down Sodom and Gomorrah, never man. So I don't know where you set. Bob Marley never sing about that. Though Father God tell that for hold him head straight and him wife look back. What that mean? No look. From your straight man, no look. Hold your head straight and go on about your business. You're straight man. Because see, if me ever know say you getting a problem for that and you go in a prison left, you're good woman and picnic them, Marvia has a bigger one than them. Because you already know the penalty for it, a air crime, or something like double murder. Why you da go take up your good straight self and get mixed up in that and then in prison for double murder? Left your wife or your picnic them and your woman and all your side bitches or your whore, whatever you want. Yo, let me tell you something, that. Nobody come to the man with no lollipop thing, my virgin. A lollipop thing you come to the man with, That's not Buju Banton responsibility, my virgin. And you go like say the man did bow down upon him knee and I tell nobody say I'm sorry, me not this. And if the man let out when I'm right, it wasn't about that. The man say him stop perform that song there. And him cut it off for every media where him control. You see what I deal with? And that the man said. You see what I deal with? Because I do that song there when I'm a young youth and him never know so much damage it a create. So if it a go do that and the man say Rasta deal with love, so if that create that type of impact there, well then him never go sing that no more. You know what I mean? You go like a bow the man bow. Come on man. Yo, when stop them illiteracy business them my brethren. Because Bob Marley are the biggest thing reggae music ever see. And Bob Marley never said nothing at all about that. You know what Bob Marley do? Hold him head straight. Because I'm a straight man. You hear that? So you know but I come to the people them with no lollipop thing. Because killer, lose how much money, because that, plus him visa, plus no doubt sue him, plus how long the man not travel come certain place come do, And when you see that, you see him one day on Instagram, burn out killer, about them shit there, and say him can't. And what killer that stand up for? Why? All of them things they reach him. Why you that burn him out? And I tell him, say him not hot again, him not travel certain place, and him not this and that, and way. You know what I mean? You see him one come out on social media about out the man. After killer lose how much money, lose how much thing, and how much time fans them can get for see him again and him stand up for him believing and them shit there. And you see him one we claim you a straight man, burn out the man, because the man not travel again, You and Tony Mataran, Them video they still up on the internet, youth. So when time you come and chat up your mouth and Buju, your sound can cheer, my brethren. It does sound like you're somebody who love chat, I saw it sound to me, Yeah, man. Look how much Sizzler them suffer. Look how much enough artists suffer. You see what me I deal with? But yet still the man them still march a Montego Bay. I never do nothing about it. And the man them full up another gully up a New Kingston. I never do nothing about it. But now you want to come put blame on Buju Banton. So what them are doing at the gully up a New Kingston? Then Foota Hype. You know nobody for blame for that? Why them march down a Montego Bay? You know nobody for blame to that Foota Hype? Why not leave Buju Banton alone, my brethren? Leave Buju Banton alone, because I'm an almighty God, my brethren. A real thing me I tell you about, me what Sizzler them suffer, how much consequence for that. And give up how much places where them could have go perform and bookings and all of them shit there and them shit there. I wanna still inoculate the place like that, both woman and man. So what the man them a do? What the man them a do? I stand up for nothing, because I not stand up with the man them. You go like the country stand up with the man them, and the man them a pull a different way. The country stand up with the man them. Remember asking you something. You have a group of straight people who are defend dancehall artists. So when time evil, you know, the artists them say certain things and been pressured by certain community. May I ask you if you have this set of straight people who they go revoke whatever them are going with. Or whatever them want bring against the man them. Do you have a group of straight people who go over there and say, yo, leave the artists them, this, that are rare artists are perform, and them don't boycott the show and all of them shit there. And that more I know, you know, because if straight people now come together, you know what I mean, and defend certain stuff, you know, and them shit, you know, you can't have it for no one or no two individual, you know, my virgin. Don't do that, my virgin. A lollipop thing you do. Over the years, you watch dancehall artists and Rastaman burn out them shit down and still inoculate the place with them shit there. So where the man them that burn out them thing there for? You know what I mean? And then you come and go like a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? The man does come out of prison. You can't put that on the man again. A 17 pitney the man have. And with the bumbo clock, you think it easy for buying 2 pitney, much less 17? What's wrong with you? You know what I mean? Do what you want to do with your life and please yourself, dog. Because I don't think Buju Banton life supposed to affect you. You understand me? A real thing me I talk about. Mind your own business, man. Who that keep at his mouth, keep at his life, my brethren. You know what I mean? A real thing, dog. You never hear the man tell you. It come like you never watch the man show. The man say, me no business with the media, me no business with on the news. 8 years me the foreign, me never get bruised with the bumbo clock there, boy, Foota Hype. Now the world see that. The man did a hide and say that. I know him boss or him bathroom him say that. Now in a national stadium on the stage him say that. Well, all kind of platform are there and I watch it. You think them not see it? You think Buju go stop say that? The man does not go sing that song there again. Leave the man alone, my brethren. Because I find you contrary. Because me watch Killer give up. What Killer give up? Enough man in a life now go do that. No doubt Sue Killer. I think a 30 million Jamaican dollar. Everything come up to. No doubt Sue Killer. Killer lose him visa. Can't come to America come perform for all long. And who the on internet about out Killer through that? Foota Hype. You know what I mean? I know you want to come talk to Buju Banton. Go on side, man. I find you can cheer, my brethren. You see what I deal with? You burn out the man say him not hot again and him not tour down the place like one time again and rare. All because the man lose him visa because he must stand up for them thing there. And you know say nothing, you know. Why the man lose him visa and the goodness of where the man stand up for, you know. Now you want to chat about Buju Banton, you come out and I talk about you alone can go, you youth them and you depend on Bunty and Buju and man and Caesar and them man there for stand up for and rare can teach them. What the man them do? The man them never do that all long. And what happen? What happen? Them not still grew up and inoculate the place. Eh? Let me tell you something, you know, my virgin. You see, if you go talk about one thing and you not talk about everything, you know what I mean? The best if you go on about your business and leave them shit there alone, you know, my virgin. You hear what? You have to do it like that. Don't look back. Hold your head straight. As some deal with it. Me no mix up with them thing there. Me a straight man, me mix up with straight man. You know what I mean? I know my thing that. Me no look. You see me? It not trap me. Me not have no form of attraction. It no matter where them a go up. Me not looking. Me a hold my head straight. Me not turn around. Me not look back and turn in a no pillar assault. You hear that? And me not go to prison for that. Cause me no mix up in a them shit there. And another lollipop thing. So me not understand where you really are said to the man. Yo, understand where you are said to the man in my virgin. Because I know you know put the man career in a way in my virgin. You hear that? When the artists them not tour and not get certain show for do and not go certain place, you know see them one, you know. Burn them out and say them not hot and them not this and them not that, you know. Because watch those said words come out of your mouth in a Foota Hype. So what are you telling the people them say? My virgin, Lord, give me alone. You hear that? You hear that? Or the next Bob Marley that. Leave the man alone. You hear that? You jump up on the man and I come and chat this and I chat that. Where you chat say fuck it. You know what I mean? Because you not do nothing about it. So like empty words without action and nothing that. A real talk. Where your action there? What type of action you have against it? What you talking about? You want to open your mouth for people follow you and put people in a trouble? You think I saw them thing they go? Eh? You don't know, you know. At the general 10-star one, you know, when I represent, you know a full effect. And the reason why me I go on like that, Vibes Cartel, you know, same love freaky girl, you know, and the same youth come burn him out. But no man love man and them bum buck like that and no cope with that, right? You know okay with that. Show no how fucking contrary he is. The man say a freaky girl him love and every boy and him mother get up and a burn out the man. And a woman the man say him love, you know. And all of a sudden me see Foot up on internet and say him get threesome already. You understand me? And him say him burn out Vibes Cartel for them thing there. You see what me I deal with? And that me I try for show you. So what can them do? What can the man them do for please you? Because it look like dancehall artists have to go through you. You know what I mean? You have to mark them song and mark them work where them do and pass it before it can okay. I saw it look like you're a dancehall examiner. You see what I deal with? Stop go around and tell people what to do, man. When do something and make people see you, my brethren. You hear that? And a lollipop thing. And the general 10-star one I represent. And you know in time I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know it go already. A loud explosion. What? 10-star way. Oh.